Okay, and to finish off, this is the truck I've been driving, which is the Scania S high roof. It's again a long 8x4 mid-lift chassis, 730 horsepower. As you see, I've got quite a few of them. Some of them 520 mainly. The same models here. So, back in Paris. We'll give that a little go. And the view from here, like as you'll see, I'll square that off. Mirrors are there, I can see the emblem of the wheel. Loads of room up top ahead where you can see me right mirrors tucked right out the way. I am sitting quite further back than usual, 90 degrees, because I have to do that to get the edge of the mirrors in without tilting my head. So I've just picked a load up. Let's have a little listen to it first. Start it up. Engine, wipers, good, lights, second position, high beam off, horn, have a little look-see round the cab. Sat-nav's not great. Have a little look-see out the window. Paint job. Okay, square that off. A little look-see outside. Let's put the hazards on. The beacons. Little bar on the bottom. Lights off, lights on. Let's have a listen to the horns outside. Excuse me. I don't know what it is with that beacon on top. I put the same one on, but on some cabs it looks more see-through. Got horns at the front as well. Badges. The bull bar. Got fancy tyres. Chrome mirrors. I should do that top one there, actually chrome. Okay. Oh. Let's go. What are we pulling? 17 ton. Just nothing for this. What's coming really?
Turn right.
Ooh, like there. And there. Bloody cars stuck
At the
here.
roundabout, Take the second exit.
That's what you get.
Exit now.
No, over the curb. Very nasty. Okay, let's take these off. And this is the cab view. Sat nav's okay, it's a bit small. Let's have a look at the info screen. I think that is a proximity sensor. Let's go close to the wall. Does it go orange? No. Maybe I need to attach them. Yeah, but if you look at them two diagonal lines in the middle of the console, what would have been on there? But no, check that later. Just stick it on there. Now the thing with this, I can see all
At
of
the roundabout, take the second exit.
I can see all of the window, the windscreen, which is good.
Exit now. Get ready to turn right.
So I can see
Turn
me.
right.
I can see me left mirrors, and I can see all the way over to the right hand side of my windscreen. Plus me mirrors up out the way, because it's only a shallower sort of windscreen compared to, I can't remember which one it was. Oh, I can't remember what model and make, where the windscreen was massive, went right the way up. So let's have the not another route advisor mod I've got on, and the information right up the top. Yeah. Now this mod I've got on, not another route advisor, something like that it's called. It does have mirrors with it, but the mirrors I've got on now actually are from another pack, another mod, which are put slightly above, well, just above this. Not another route advisor mod. So these mirrors kick in rather than their mirrors. I like them better. The other ones look nice, oval shaped, and, you know, not as rectangle like that, but I just like them ones. I think they're medium sized. Okay, gotta get over to the right.
Keep right, and then exit right. Exit right.
Oh, take my eyes off the road. Okay, we'll have a little look-see outside. Well, flying along. 17 ton. Take that off now if you want. I'll have 1 hour 57 to go. Coast around that. And we'll come back when I'm dropping my load off, I think.